How to fix YouTube comment not showing problem. So you might be in the position where you are trying to watch any of the video on YouTube, but if you are looking for any of the comments and it's not showing up, well, it might be also because the owner of the video or the YouTube has turned off the comment section. But if it's not that way and you want to fix this issue, then all you gotta do is simply head over to the App Store on your device. Once you're inside the App Store, in the address bar you have to search for YouTube. Click on the app. Make sure that your application is up to date. If not, click on update and update the app. Once you have the updated version, simply move into the settings of a device. And then head over to General. Move into iPhone storage. In this page, scroll down and move into YouTube and click on Offload app. Once again, tap on Offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should also fix the issue that you have been facing on YouTube, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.